I'm Chanel, an associate lawyer with the State Connection Law Office. And today I want to talk to you guys about some tips you can use when you're selling your house. When you're looking to sell your house, it's really important that you know that you need a real property report or an RPR with compliance. The reason you need this is because the purchaser is definitely going to be asking for it, as it'll tell them whether or not the property that you're selling is compliant with city or town bylaws. If you don't have one from your previous purchase, you're going to need to ensure that you get one ordered. This can take some time, so I highly suggest you have this in mind early on in the sale process. Once you have it ordered, you also need to submit it to the city for compliance. If you don't have enough time to do this, you have to order rushes on all of these documents, and that just takes more money from your sale proceeds to pay for it. It's really important that once you have that real property report, that you look at your property and ensure the real property report has everything on it that it should. Do you have all your fences on it? Is the deck there? Is the garage there? Make sure that nothing that's outside your house that's a permanent structure is missing from that document. You also need to ensure that you have compliance. So if you have the RPR and it's got a red stamp on it, that's good. That means the city found it compliant. If you have a letter from the city, that's also good, as long as the letter says that your land is compliant. The reason the purchaser wants this is to ensure that the property they're buying doesn't have to do any edits or modifications to make it compliant with city or town bylaws. A really important reason for you to have it early in the process is that you can fix any problems that arise in the event you have to. For instance, we have a recent file where somebody had to get a variance because the deck wasn't quite far enough from the fence and they thought it was going to be. Now what's going to happen is that they're actually not going to be able to hear the appeal until after the sale is supposed to close. And now we have to decide how much money to hold back from their sale proceeds to ensure that that issue can be handled if it has to be. So again, all it does is eat into how much money you're going to get on the day of close if you don't get your RPR done and everything settled in time. I hope you found this helpful. If you want more tips, please click on the link below to download our checklist. If you have any questions or want any help, please contact our office and we're happy to do so.